Discover the age-old magic of kombucha, turning your body into an immune-boosting powerhouse, packed with probiotics and antioxidants. More of a health treasure chest than you might have thought. Step into a world where well-being and innovation collide. Let's brew kombucha. KEFIRKO Kombucha Fermenter ensures precise control and optimal results in home kombucha fermentation. The lid made of bioplastic is designed to give adequate airflow needed during the fermentation. Time becomes your ally with the fermentation clock. It makes sure your brew hits the sweet spot, balancing taste and nutrition. Thermometer lets you control the temperature with finesse, while the carbon filter ensures your kombucha making stays a sweet-smelling haven. Top quality glass jar has a thoughtfully balanced ratio between the diameter and height. For those seeking a morning boost, who want to stay focused, looking for post-workout recovery, or searching for creative ways to unwind, kombucha is for everyone.